Hello, good people. How y'all doing? Today is day 15 of our daily Python test, and I'm really excited today. Just look how far we've come from day one, where we did capital indexes with my poor audio then, and just look how far we've come. These numbers you see here are showing how difficult they are. Like, this was 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, and we've done 2 which are 4 out of 10. Today we're going to do another one that is 4 out of 10. This is where we are. We still got some really juicy ones to come, and I can't wait to get this over and done with. And this 7, this is where I want to come to. So for today, you see, unsolved. So let's make this work. Okay, today's challenge, up and down. Alright, so we're taking in a single parameter, and it's supposed to return a tuple containing 2 numbers. One is the higher number, one is the lower number. Like up, down 5 will give you 4, 6. This is fairly easy. This should be 2. So let's make this happen. First, we define our function up, down, and then it takes one parameter. Let's call it number because it's going to be a number, and then it should return a tuple, and then inside that tuple is supposed to be the first thing is number minus 1, and then number plus 1. This is all they asked. So let's run and see if we're done for today. Challenge passed. Thank you very much for being there. Drop a like for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you still haven't. Ring the bell icon, and remember to try this out on your own. Try it by yourself. Code. Just every day try to do a little something. Small drops in the buckets could make a whole, I don't know how they say that stuff, well, it could make a whole river, a whole ocean or something. So keep coding, keep being your best self. Till we meet again tomorrow. Bye.